bad wolf. You guys need the curtain open?
Yes, we do. Okay, guys, on stage. All right. And here we have for you today 2 big bad wolves and 2 of the 3 little pigs. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on. Okay. So, everyone knows this story. My name is Miss Sarah, for those of you who don't know me. We have 2 little pigs, and we have some big bad wolves who are going to come and knock on their doors. So, the story begins with once upon a time. Once upon a time, there were 3 little pigs, and they had a grandmother pig who said to them, "My dear little piglets, it is your turn to go away. Go into the woods and build a house for yourself. But make sure that you build it strong because the big bad wolf might come and knock on your door. Okay?
Okay.
And don't forget to write me letters. I love you. Goodbye." And our little pigs went off into the woods. One day, our 2 little pig brothers saw a man. And what did this man have? Straw. He had a bundle of straw. So they asked nicely if they could have that bundle of straw to build their house. Here in Imagination Land, cardboard boxes can be houses. So our 2 little pig brothers worked together to build this house. And they wove the walls out of straw. And they painted the house. And when the house was all ready, they got inside their house. Go ahead. And then the big bad wolf came along. And what did the big bad wolf do? And the big bad wolf says, "So I'll huff, huff, and the little pigs ran as fast as they could. Oh, look at them go. And the wolf was not able to catch them. The next day, our pigs set about building another house. This time, they saw a man with what? What does this man have? Does this man have wood? Are you going to ask for the wood? Okay. Yes, so our little pigs asked if they could borrow some wood to build a house. And they sawed and they hammered. And they planted a garden. Can you show everyone how to plant a garden? Boop, 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 boop. And they watered their garden. And they found a mail slot in the side. And then our little pigs got in. Along came the big bad wolf who... What does the big bad wolf do? And the big bad wolf says, "Little pig, let me in." And the pig says, "Not by the hair of my chin chin chin." So, and they blew the house in. And away the little pig ran. On the last day, our pigs built a house out of bricks. And what did they do? They hid inside their house. And along came the big bad wolf, who... And she said, So the big bad wolf huffed and puffed and huffed and puffed, but she was not able to blow in the house of bricks. So she gave up and went home.